Well, I just returned the Boy Scout test station to the club guy, Joe Best, and I had this Atlantic that I had built up, and I hadn't really messed with it very much, so I got it out to see where I was with it, and I know the smoke had a problem, but you can hear it. It has sound, and it will accelerate, and it runs fine, but the smoke is it just turns to, when you get going too fast, I'm at 10 volts, it just turns into a chatter, and if I go like over 13 volts, the sound just disappears now altogether. Of course, you have smoke, but you have no sound of chuffing. And then the heater, loses its ability to generate the smoke. The fan burst is not strong enough to push it up very high. And then as you cool the heater off, the oils vaporize less, and so you get less smoke. It's a battle. And I think what I need, I've got 5 volts to the motor, and I think I need 3 volts, and that would give me just enough puff, but not too much, and it would slow it down faster. So I'm gonna have to think about the best way to get 5 volts down to 3 volts. So I'm gonna have to do some mathematics on some very basic electricity, but I haven't done it in so long, I'm like a little But I did notice the headlight does work. I don't have a tail light. I have the firebox, but the firebox is not wired. I think what I was going to do with this was to make it sort of a demonstrator showcase of what you could do to an old engine. And I may just start with, just pick this up where I left off and try to get it to work right. Or as good as I can, at any rate. I do have another smoke system that I had worked on. I was very, very proud of. I put it here. It was here a second ago. Oh well. Now I don't know where I put it. Oh, here, it's right in front of me. This is one that I had polished. Looked really great, but it didn't work very good. I think that's because of the voltage. I got too many volts. This is one of my earlier units of the smoke conversion. I don't have the connecting rod and the piston anymore. Now I have this. I'm using the cam and the limit switch for the trigger. You just have to think it through, figure out what you want to do, and then try it and go from there. I think that's where I'm going to be doing a little more development exercise over the course of some time. Then I want to get back to my radio. Really good looking. Look at that knob, baby. Look at that old knob. Oh, gross. Anyway, I want to get back to that, but I got to get some help on the rectifier. I don't know how to build them, so I better get some help. I don't want to fry it or myself. Okay, that's it. I'm on break. Later.